Christina?
Revenge.
Am I able to write all of this down?
Yes, we arrived late and they already wrote this down. So yes, please write it down, especially because you don't have your book. And I hope you find it before the end of the year. So we're asking Miguel. She's not in trouble. Don't be an instigator. So Horace, you were saying about the asteroid. Do we know what separates the inner and the outer planets?
Yes.
What is it called?
These like those meteors, like
no, it has to do with asteroid. The name is in the name has asteroid in it. Miguel, go ahead.
You didn't let me finish. It was
asteroid. Look at what do you wear around your pants?
Asteroid belt. It separates the Earth.
No, he just said it. Asteroid belts is what separates the inner and the outer planets. Do we know what? We have it. We're gonna talk about
separates the galaxy.
No, it doesn't separate the galaxy. Tyson, sit down and pay attention. It doesn't separate the galaxy. It separates the inner planets from the outer planets. So we have 8 planets in total, and 4 of them are inner, which is Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Then the other 4, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, are outer planets. Okay. Is the sun a star or is it a planet?
A big old star.
A big old star. Correct. The star is the star. The sun is a star. Okay. Horace, what is the sun?
A star.
Horace, not Miguel. It has fire, but is it a star or a planet? It is actually, there you go. It is a big star. It is the biggest star in our solar system. And actually, we have 2 people who are in the in space right now.
Me.
Miguel and Miss Alba.
I want to see Miss Alba. I want to
see. You see, over here, you see the little galaxy thingy. Here, you see right further.
Okay.
Somewhere else.
Miguel, what else? And Miss Alba, what else?
I was all the way in Neptune. All the way.
Very far. You're on mute, Miss Alba.
No, I just say, woo! We are in there.
Yeah. Look how many
Luna is in Pluto.
They have lots of stars around them. Stars can be big, stars can be small. When you see a star, right, it can either look really bright or very dim, depending on how much light you have. The best way to look at stars is to go to somewhere that has minimal lighting around. Usually you can find this in places like Homestead and Kendall, where they have like little lighting there, and you can actually look at the stars from there, and it's actually really nice. Okay, let's start reading. The sun and everything that orbits it makes up the solar system. The solar system formed 4.6 billion years ago from a cloud of gas and dust. As gravity pulled the cloud together, it became smaller and hotter and began to spin. In the center of the cloud, where the gas was the hottest and densest, a star formed, the sun. At first, the solar system was shaped like a ball. As it rotated, gravity caused it to flatten, and it became a disk. Gravity also caused leftover gas and dust from the solar system formation to clump together and form small, rocky, or icy bodies. These bodies merged and formed planets and other objects. You have a question? You want to read? What's your question?
Bridget, the sun. So basically, before the sun was formed, we didn't have no light
in this solar system. Remember, we are not the only galaxy or universe in the. We're not the only solar system in the galaxy or universe.
I wish we was.
No, that would be pretty. Oh no, I think it's fascinating how we don't know how many are there. Yes, there's probably, because you know how we can like observe. We can observe. Do you think other Israel? Yes, I do think. Like, I don't believe that we're the only ones. I don't. Who believes that we're the only ones in the world, in the galaxy? You believe that we're the only ones in the galaxy? In
Yeah.
between. It's in between. Oh my
Because
gosh. Do you think there's
I need
other
to s-
people or other forms of life somewhere else, Tyson?
I need to see that alien.
Just anything. Like, do you think that there's other forms of life? Do you think there's like an alternative universe, a parallel universe? No? Okay.
The only way I don't believe aliens real,
If they come,
I
okay.
need to go to Area 51.
Horace, do you think that there's other forms of life besides Earth? Can you please unmute and tell me yes or no? I do too. Thank you, Horace. Ms. Alba, do you think there's other forms of life?
I do too.
Yeah. Okay, and Christina, do you think there's other forms of life besides Earth? Dun, dun, dun. No answer from Christina.
Dun, dun, dun.
So the universe is really big, and in my opinion, I just think that it's what happened, Christina.
Did you ask me something? I was talking to someone else.
Paying attention to our class, though. Remember, this is part of our grade as well. So I asked you, Christina, if do you believe that there are other forms of life besides Earth? Do you think there's aliens in the universe?
Nah.
No, okay. More, I see the people who say nah are more like I need to see it to believe it.
Yeah.
Which I am like that as well with certain things, but I don't know. I just think we're too big to be by ourselves. Go ahead, Miss Alba.
I just was for. Are you following the conversation? Yes. It's okay. Thank you, Miss.
Vampire. Sorry. Okay. The universe makes up a lot of things, okay? So other than the sun, planets are the largest objects in the universe. And remember, we have 8. A planet orbits the sun. It is massive enough to be nearly spherical in shape. Spherical means a circle. And has no other large object orbital path. All 8 planets revolve in the same direction.